One of the most persistent myths in the automotive world: if you don't use genuine parts or go to the dealership, you'll void your vehicle's warranty. But is that true for your car here in Australia? Pro-tork Automotive brings you the definitive answers on what you really need to know to save money without compromising your vehicle. In Australia, the Consumer Protection Act is clear: you are not required to use only genuine parts or dealer services to maintain your vehicle's warranty. The Australian consumer law protects your right to choose where to have your vehicle serviced, provided that the parts used are on par with the originals, quality-wise. The service is performed in accordance with the manufacturer's specifications. All maintenance is adequately documented. This means independent repair shops, like Pro-tork, can perform services that keep the manufacturer's warranty intact. It's important to understand the difference between the three main types of parts available for your car. Original parts, supplied by the manufacturer, with the brand logo. They are identical to those installed in the factory but generally have higher costs. Original equipment manufacturer parts, manufactured by the same suppliers that produce original parts but sold without the manufacturer's logo. Same quality, significantly lower price. Aftermarket parts, produced by independent companies. Quality varies significantly, from inferior options to premium versions that surpass original specifications. At Pro-tork, we mainly use high-quality OEM or aftermarket parts, ensuring the same durability and performance as the originals, but with significant savings for our customers. There are specific situations where non-original parts may affect your warranty. If a low-quality, non-original part fails and causes damage to other components, the automaker may refuse coverage for the resulting damage. Performance modifications that alter original specifications are different from regular maintenance. These may affect the warranty of related components. The warranty is component-specific. Even if a non-original part causes problems, this only affects the coverage of the directly related parts, not the entire vehicle warranty. How to identify parts of equivalent quality for your car? Look for recognized certifications such as TÜV, ISO 9001 or specific approvals such as E Mark for European parts. Often, the same company manufactures both the original and OEM parts. For example, Bosch supplies injection systems for BMW with and without the manufacturer's logo. Workshops specializing, such as Pro-tork, have the knowledge to select truly equivalent parts, not just similar ones. The savings can be substantial when you opt for OEM parts of equivalent quality. Real examples of savings on common services for European cars: brake pads and rotors, 30 to 40% savings. Filters, air, oil, cabin, 40 to 50% savings. Electronic components, 25 to 35% savings. Suspension parts, 30 to 45% savings. A full service can cost significantly less without compromising the quality or warranty of your vehicle. What you need to know in a nutshell: Australian law protects your right to choose where to have your service performed. OEM parts offer equivalent quality at a lower price. Proper documentation is essential to preserve your warranty. You can save significantly without compromising on quality. At Pro-tork Automotive, we offer the best combination of economy and quality for your car, with the guarantee that your vehicle will maintain the performance and reliability expected of a car. Do you have any questions about maintaining your car? Leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and essential information on taking care of your vehicle.